guys, welcome to another video on how to make a Reactor core game. And I know I haven't made a video in a long time, so sorry for that. I was just busy with school things, and now I got a new computer, so the experience should be better. And yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna make in this episode we're making a safeguard and a control panel. So yeah, so let's start with the base of the control panel. Decorate it what you want it to be. So I'm gonna make mine gray, just like that, and then with a little wedge here. Sort of like that, and I think that looks cool. Okay, that's our for now. And next we're gonna add a button. I'm gonna add mine, the red one. You're gonna need like 2 buttons for the temperature things. Also, I lost my files for the original pieces of this, so I just remade it. I didn't have it backed up yet, so sorry for that. We're gonna have a button here and duplicate that. Have a button here that is type of green. You can, for now, this is gonna be like this, decorated. This is just a, I just made it. Just don't judge. Okay, so we need to add scripts into them. So we're gonna name the green one down, and we're gonna name the red one up. Now you can add images on them. So you wanna go to your toolbox, images, up. Just search up, and then you got these arrows. So like you could have a up arrow, but you don't have to do this, but you can. So add the up arrow here, another up arrow. You'll see what I do, and then you flip this thing over. There we go. I'll try to leave a link for a up and down arrow. So yeah. Now we have to add the scripts. So for the up and down, we have to add click detectors. Here we go. And here we go. Now we want to add a script right over here and name it up for your up button. Okay, now you want to add a variable called click detector. Yes, my grammar's suffering. Okay, now you want to do script dot parent dot click detector. Now we have it here, so quality of life. Now we can do here. You want to do a local function, and we're gonna name it clicked. Add 2 parentheses here. Here we go. So first you want to do is remember we added the int value here. We're gonna mention it. So game.workspace.temp and .value, because we're accessing the value, not the object itself. And we're gonna do equals. We're gonna set it to itself because that's how Roblox APIs work. And there we go. Equals, not equals, +1. You could also add a wait function here, so it just looks cool. So people will like click. You know, it's really basic. You don't have to add the wait function. So if you click on it, it will add 1 temperature to your value, which will update it to the screen, and that's all we pretty much have to do. But if you want to add sound effects when you play it, I'll show you how. So go to the script, add a sound, and then you want to add a sound ID. So you want to go in your toolbox. You can also do this in your Roblox library. Creep audio. You can add like, I don't know. Not that. Nope. Okay, you can add any sounds on here and then put the ID. And I'm not doing it right now, but so you want to add the sound ID here, and you want to add the sound ID. To do that, you want to go to Roblox libraries. This will be a long episode, sort of. Nope. Alright, you want to go to home, your profile picture area here. You go to the search bar, and you want to go to I don't know, any sound. Library. Search your sound effect and go in library. Next, you want to go here, filter out to audio, and then you gotta wait. No. Lol. I'm trying to find some good audio. Yeah, like this is good. I'll put a link to the sound IDs I use. Copy that. Library / this is the ID. Copy it. Go to your Roblox Studio. Paste it into the sound ID. Enter. It's good now. So now you want to play it whenever you click. So now you want to do script.parent.sound. Oh shoot. Script.parent. Script.parent.up.sound. Colon and then play with parentheses, and now it will play each time you click on it. Exit out of the script. So we're also doing the same thing, but it's just a bit reversed. And now you want to play just to test out the up button to see if it works. Oh shoot, I haven't added the, hold on, down, up. You haven't added it yet, so first we haven't called the function yet, so what you want to do is click detector dot mouse click click detector dot mouse click. Yeah, I'm getting confused. Oh, connect, and then you want to type in your function. Mine is clicked right here. This is the name of your function. Clicked. Now it will call this function, do whatever's in here. When you click on it, and as you can see, it will work. Yes, I'm also a beginner scripter. I'm not that excellent. I'm not really that excellent at explaining things. As you can see, it plays the audio and yeah, it just plays the audio and increases it with a 1 second wait function. Isn't that amazing? Now we want to do the same. So copy the up script, right click, copy, put it down, paste into. Now we have the up, rename this to down, and go back to here. So you want to go to the temp here, wait 2 seconds. Keep everything the same, but over here you're going to do minus and exit out. So we should have a fully working control panel. Here I go. Play here. Now we should have a fully working control panel. I think it can come to negatives, right? There we go. But oops, I got an error. Up.sound. Down. So yeah, also rename this the sound to down because you know because like we have a different script name, so that just fix it like that, and we should be good. Let's test it again. It's all about testing your stuff most of the time and to see if it works. And I will also bug fix errors. Let's see if it works. 1, 2. Hey, we got a control panel, boys. Okay, also next episode we're gonna do a meltdown. Yeah. Okay, now we have to add safeguards. And we can do that by I need room for a safeguard. Also, it's your choice for what your control panel will look like. Mine's just gonna look really crude. Go. Alright, so I think it's a bit crooked. Okay. So you wanna so the safeguards are essentially resetting the value to like whatever your base temperature is when you start. And you obviously sort of do know how a safeguard works. Yeah. So you wanna depending on what your safeguard button will look like, it's gonna be like something like this. I don't know, you can also add like a cover or something. You also probably, I don't know. Alright, so this is just gonna be the red safeguard button. If it's overheating, you can just press on this and it'll revert back. If so, you want to make your cover I know mine looks really crappy. Don't judge. Go, duplicate it. Also name your stuff when you create new things. It might help. I know I'm not doing it, but it really will help. I think, what am I doing? Okay, just scale it to the entire thing and then make it a bit transparent. Yeah. There you go. Transparency, it's gonna be 0.5. I think 0.5 might do. Yep. Decorate it to what you want, and we're gonna pretty much add the same exact script. So this is the cover for it, and I need to, and this is the font. Put it back, put the cover back. Alright, we're gonna group it later on, but so on the cover, you wanna go in and insert a script. Here we go. Local, click detector equals, hold on, I gotta add a click detector here. Click detector, here we go. Script dot parent, what am I doing? Dot parent dot click detector, here we go. Now we gotta do a local function. My fingers, okay. Local function. Oof. Alright. So what you want to do now is local function clicked. So we're gonna add an if statement. So you have to have a critical temperature. Local critical temperature. equals, so you're gonna add a int value, so your critical temperature might also be around like, okay, so let's just see. Game dot temp, workspace dot temp dot value equals, I'd say mine's pretty low, 1000 degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit. All right, if critical okay, game dot workspace dot temp equals critical. Oh, I can't. Sorry, man. This variable does not help. Equals. I say 1000. Yeah, you can follow with me. Then. So we just added a if function. Now we can. Alright, so you want the glass to break and play a sound effect? Then yes, I can help you. So we're gonna do this break. And we're gonna add a sound. Alright, so we're obviously gonna play script.parent dot break dot sound Oh shoot, my script is named wrong. Don't name it break. Sorry about that. DD. Let's name it DD, because break is like in the DD dot sound play and script.parent. So we wanted to also disappear when you click on it. So script.parent destroy. And yeah, that's essentially it, I think. But also you have to add it, so click detector dot mouse click connect collect. There you go. So now it should play whatever sound it is. So we're gonna search up a glass. What am I doing? Okay, revert back. We're gonna wait for it to load up. I'm also doing every single step that you might need. So glass shattering, glass shattering. I need to increase my volume. I don't know if you guys can hear me well. Alright. Glass breaks. Oh, that sounds like a good sound effect. Copy that. Do whatever I just did. And go to sound, IE. And we're gonna paste that boy. Should work. Okay. Now that the cover is done, we need to do the actual button itself. So I'm going here, click detector, script, name it hot, and you can also add sound effects to it. I'm not going to do it, but up to you. Local click detector equals script.parent.click detector, and we're essentially doing the exact same thing in the beginning. So local function clicked. Alright, so for this one, we're gonna I'm thinking of a safeguard mechanic. We can revert it back to like 10, I don't know, 50. So if you want to revert back to 50 degrees Celsius, and do what you want to revert it back. But here we go. So game dot workspace dot temp dot value will equal 50. And if yeah, we have to. So you want to make it so it won't be used again. So we're gonna do local used equals false. All right, here we go. If used equals false, then and here we go. Sometimes you gotta add an end to it. All right. Game.workspace.temp.value equals 50 and used equals true. So if it's true, then this won't equals. Sorry about that. If it's used equals true, what, like if you used it once, so you can't use it more than once, essentially. Now we have to do it that if you click on it. So click detector dot mouse click dot connect clicked. There you go. Fixed it. I don't think you have to play any sounds for it, but you can if you want. Hot and the cover, group it together. Hot. Duplicate it around over here. This time we're going to do it the opposite way. So now it's going to be cold. Hot cover, alright, cover DB. Alright, we're going back here. So what you want to do now is the cover, it's going to break if it's negative 500, then it does this. That's whatever temperature you want it to be for a freeze down, and then like what temperature to activate the safeguard to cool it down, then yeah, it's your choice. But you can follow along with me. Save it. Go back to here. Name it cold. I don't know. Hold on. Is there anything? Script.parent. Alright. Hot. We're gonna name this script cold. Here we go. So false will equals 50. I think we can keep it like that. Whatever temperature you wanted to revert when it was on the freeze down, then I keep it default for what you did with hot. So we're good with this. Now we have the control panel a bit set. Oh, whoa. Gotta change the colors here a bit, you know? It's a blue. Alright, let's test if it works to fully prove myself or fix any errors that I have most likely done. So, also you want to like group this entire thing. This entire control panel we literally just made. You can also make your own control panel room. Alright, now. The moment of truth. Honestly, I don't even know if it works. Alright. Okay, to test if temperature 1000. Temperature is 1000. Wait, what the? Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Huh? I think I did something wrong. Alright, temp reader. Something is wrong. Something is very wrong. What have I just done? Alright, oh, never mind. It actually works. Oopsie. It actually works. 100? Does it work? I think you have to manually increase it. Oh, it's because I have filtering enabled. I'm really stupid. But you keep your filtering enabled on to prevent any hackers. But so you want to go on the server and then change the value because because filtering enabled. Oh, what the heck, Jack? So filtering enabled pretty much is a thing where it prevents hackers from doing stuff on their client side, and it requires them. Okay, we're going to server temp. Right, here we go. So I'm gonna do 1000. Go back on your client. Let's see. Does it work? I don't know if it works. It does decrease, but I don't know if the safeguards work. I might have to fix it. Cover 1000. Temp equals. If temp dot value. Sorry guys. Dot value. Alright, fix that. Oof. Ooh. Sorry guys, sometimes you gotta debug stuff. I'm sorry I'm putting you guys through this, but I'm not using an editor, so shame on me, but hold up. Server. Go on your temperature. Test in one of the safeguards to prove it works. Yep, here we go. The glass broke, and let's see if it. Hey, let's go! Let's go! Right, it works. You can add sound effects to it. You can also add a wait function to the. I'll show you guys how to do that in the next episode, or I can do it right now. Hold on. Click detector. Shingling. Shing. Or did I not put the sound? Parent.dd.sound play. I have to probably add a wait function. Wait. Yeah, I'll fix everything in the next episode then, I guess. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys pretty soon. Yeah. Peace. I'll fix some more bugs next episode and add some more decorative things. And I'll try to do a meltdown next episode. Please subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and yeah, peace.